So in order for you to get free internet access, you shall go on your mobile device on your Airtel, press 100 hash on Android, then you select data bundles, uh, and then you select learn from home, that is 10, and then you say send, and then you buy learn from home. Actually, what this bundle does, it awakens the so-called VPNs. Yeah, so you can connect your VPN and get free unlimited internet for 24 hours. So afterwards, I have tunnel VPN, but there are also other VPN. When you say connect, you start browsing on the internet for over 24 hours. So when I test here my bundle, when I go on TikTok, you see that the bundle is working absolutely fine.